Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I hope that today we shall have fun together. Now, today we shall be talking about the look and feel of Microsoft 365, and we shall be talking about the Microsoft Excel themes or Microsoft Office themes for that matter. Please open a blank spreadsheet and let's roll as usual. Now, of course, this will take you to the backstage view. Now, let's select options. Now, look at the left-hand pane. Please make sure General is selected. Now, scroll down, and you will see this group. Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Now look at the themes that are available to you. Office theme, drop down. See, you have the dark gray theme, you have the black theme, you have the white theme, you have the use system setting, and then you have the colorful theme. Let's go through them one by one. Dark gray theme, and then select dark gray theme, and then click OK. You can see that now your Excel has a darkish background, a grayish background. Now let's go back. Options, General, and then let's have a look at the black theme. See, your theme is now black in color. Well, it's up to you. Choose the theme that works for you. Now go back, and I want to talk about the special kind of theme that applies to Microsoft 365. The default theme for Microsoft 365 is use system setting. So if you're using Microsoft 365, you will realize that the use system setting theme, this one right here, is selected. So it is the default theme. And this theme matches the Windows theme. You can change the look and feel of all your Microsoft 365 apps by changing the theme or background from one of the applications, just like we've been doing. So I will take mine back to the system setting and click OK. So my theme is derived from the look of my Windows background. As you can see, I am using Microsoft Bing background, so you can see the yellowish, brownish background, and that's what is controlling my theme right now in all Microsoft Office apps or Microsoft 365 apps for that matter. Okay, so and that will mark the end of themes. Please select the theme that works for you. If you do not like bright colors, select the dark gray or black theme so that your eyes are comfortable. In the next lesson, I will see you, and we shall be talking about, of course, something not about themes, but we shall be talking about simple filters. And please fasten your seatbelts, because we are about to dive into deep waters. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.